Angel ma, we can begin ma.
Okay, sir. The beauty of our life is to admire and to enjoy the goodness and blessings of God. Good morning and a pleasant welcome to each one of you. Prayer is aligning ourselves with the purposes of God. Now I invite Sister Amalie Rosapin and Miss Neha to lead us in prayer service.
ஒன்றுமில்லாமலே நின்ற என்னை கைப்பிடித்து நடத்தும் பேரன்பு எந்தன் பெரும் குறைகள் கண்ட பின்னும் நெஞ்சோடு சேர்க்கும் பேரன்பு ஒன்றுமில்லாமலே நின்ற என்னை கைப்பிடித்து நடத்தும் பேரன்பு எந்தன் பெரும் குறைகள் கண்ட பின்னும் நெஞ்சோடு சேர்க்கும் பேரன்பு இந்த நல்ல தெய்வத்துக்கு நான் என்ன செய்த நன்றி சொல்லவே எந்த நற்ப ஜீவியத்தை நான் உந்தன் முன்னே சமர்ப்பிக்கலாம் ஒன்றுமில்லாமலே நின்ற என்னை கைப்பிடித்து நடத்தும் பேரன்பு எந்தன் பெரும் குறைகள் கண்ட பின்னும் நெஞ்சோடு சேர்க்கும் பேரன்பு எந்த நல்ல தெய்வத்துக்கு நான் என்ன செய்த நன்றி சொல்லவே எந்த நற்ப ஜீவியத்தை நான் உந்தன் முன்னே சமர்ப்பிக்கலாம் போன நாட்கள் தந்த வேதனைகள் உன் அன்புதான் என்று அறியவில்லையே போன நாட்கள் தந்த வேதனைகள் உன் அன்புதான் என்று அறியவில்லையே உன் சொந்தமாக்கவே மாரோடு சேர்க்கவே புடமிட்டு உருக்கு நீர் என்னையும் உன் சொந்தமாக்கவே மாரோடு சேர்க்கவே புடமிட்டு உருக்கு நீர் என்னையும் தெய்வ அன்பு என்ன உன்னதம் ஒன்றுமில்லாமலே நின்ற என்னை கைப்பிடித்து நடத்தும் பேரன்பு எந்தன் பெரும் குறைகள் கண்ட பின்னும் நெஞ்சோடு சேர்க்கும் பேரன்பு
I would like to call upon Miss Neha to read the Bible.
Sneha is online. Sneha is online for Bible reading.
Sneha is there. Sneha is
Yeah,
there.
please. Where is she?
She's there, but she's not speaking.
Shall just wait for her. Please pin Sinega. Okay, we'll continue with the next.
Okay. Thank you, Sister Amali Rosapin, for your soulful singing. The joyful heart sees and reads the world with a sense of happiness and graciousness. It's my pleasure to invite Reverend Sister Mary Catherine, our student counselor, to spread the aroma of happiness through your words of welcome. Over to you, Sister.
Praise the Lord. A very good morning to one and all. Joining with us on this portal today for the inaugural function of cells and clubs organized by St. Charles College of Education, Madurai. God has been so good that we have the privilege of various portals available to carry on our work despite the pandemic. As a student counselor of SCCE, I'm glad to offer my hearty welcome to our dear Superior, Reverend Sister Nirmala Williams, St. Charles Society. She has served the congregation in different capacities as headmistress, student counselor, formator, and superior. We have with us a very experienced personnel, loving and cheerful, to felicitate us and bless us. Once again, a hearty welcome to you, yes, Sister Nirmala.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have with us a smart professor in the Department of Computer Science of SCCE, known for her creativity and innovation, who is none other than our dear Sister Janita Mary. Her skill of handling computers is remarkable, ready to render service at any time. Thank you for your generosity in accepting our invitation to deliver the keynote address. Hearty welcome to you, dear Sister Janita.
Thank you, sister.
I'm glad to extend my hearty welcome to our dear Secretary, Sister Sabina Jose, who is known for our meticulous planning, for our tireless service, and for all the arrangement made for the inaugural function today. We greatly welcome you, dear Sister Sabina. I also welcome our dear Principal, Dr. Vayadurai. Thanks for your cooperation and collaboration you have rendered in organizing this function. I'm happy to welcome and wish all the best for our teaching staff and the student teachers who will be presenting their action plan of their cells and clubs during the program today. Finally, I welcome all our administrative staff and technical assistants. Last but not the least, I welcome our dear student teachers who have joined us online. You are the beneficiaries of this program, who will be going to execute the plan in the days to come. Once again, my warm welcome to one and all present. Have a fabulous Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister, for your warm welcome. Spreading love everywhere you go. Let no one come to you without leaving happier. I take immense pleasure to recognize the valuable presence of our superior, Reverend Sister Nirmala Williams, and I feel honored to invite our dear sister to felicitate. Over to you, sister.
Good morning, one and all. I see here the formation of cells and the clubs. As I see the topics, the clubs and the cells you have taken is very valuable, and it is need of the time. I really appreciate the meticulous planning of Sister Sabina Jos and forming these cells and the clubs for the sake of our students. I hope everyone will benefit and learn from this functioning and the action plan that you're going to do during this pandemic, and you will find the fruit out of all this. So I wish every one of you for this program and the things that you are going to do for the sake of our students. I wish you all the best, and I thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear sister, for your kind words. There are dreamers and there are planners. The planners make their dreams come true. Now it's time to present the action plan of various cells and clubs of our college. I'm happy to invite Mrs. Amudavalli, Assistant Professor in Tamil Education, to present the action plan of Equal Opportunity Cell. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, one and all present here. Equal Opportunity Cell 2021-22. Equal Opportunity Cell 2021-22. Goal. Goal. The cell ensures that all students are treated without discrimination and attempts to address deep-seated inequalities in our system. Excuse me, sir. Next slide, sir. Objectives. To create an atmosphere of equal opportunity through the awareness of the generations programs. To provide auxiliary support towards skill development and enhancing employability of students. To tailor development and sensitization programs to meet the distinct needs of the students. To expedite legal redress in matters of violence of equal opportunity. Activities. Activities. On the inaugural day, 6/8/2021, the present regarding importance of the equal opportunity. To make the student teacher understand the concept of equal opportunity and to enable them to understand the need for this cell in our college. Video clipping will be displayed. Staff in charge to create online awareness about the rights and the duties of every citizen by the end of November. That the student teachers may become aware of the equal opportunity. This is the right of every citizen. Conduct debate on equal opportunity. Staff in charge to take class on legal rights of citizens with regard to Rights of Information Act by the end of March. to make known the existing laws related to Rights of Information Act. Student teacher gives a talk with video clipping on the Rights to Information Act. Thank you. Let us watch video on Equal Opportunity Cell.
Diversity is one of our country's greatest strengths, and a diverse, well-educated generation of Americans is crucial to our continued success as a nation. As part of that generation, where do you see yourself in 10, 20, 30 years? Doctor, lawyer, engineer, entrepreneur, president. How will you get there? How can you prepare yourself to succeed in today's fast-paced, diverse global society? A quality education is key, and learning with people from different backgrounds and perspectives benefits all students, our workforce, and our country as a whole. But the pathways of opportunity aren't the same for everyone. Many students attend schools that are highly segregated, with few opportunities to interact with the broad diversity of their peers. Many students attend schools that are under-resourced, with obsolete textbooks, outdated technology, and few opportunities to take AP and other challenging courses. Leading colleges and universities want to select a diverse array of highly qualified students, and by giving all students a close look and a fair shot, they're expanding opportunity to a wider range of students and fostering diverse and dynamic learning environments. But there's a movement afoot to prevent colleges from using common sense approaches for creating diverse learning environments. But everyone deserves a fair chance at educational opportunity and a fair chance to strive for their dreams, for your dreams. Take action. Speak up for diversity. Speak up for equal opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your presentation. Listening is often the only thing needed to help someone. I'm glad to invite our student counselor, Reverend Sister Mary Catherine, to present the action plan for guidance and counseling cell.
St. Charles College of Education, Guidance and Counseling Cell, Action Plan for the year 2021 and 22. Goals. To offer a listening ear to every student teacher and the teacher educator, and to enable them to discover right solutions to their problems themselves. Offer minimal advice and suggestions in order to live and let live happily and peacefully. Objectives. To enable the student teachers to share their problems during the mentoring class, to know themselves better and to accept themselves better. To give family counseling for the married students with the family problems and meet their husbands if needed. To listen to the teaching faculty of their personal problems, guide them to accept the reality and be relaxed. To enable the student teachers to develop the skill of counseling to help the pupils with problems. Action plan. The student counselor will enable the student teachers to accept themselves with all the drawbacks and accept others. The students will be administered with a counseling service format to fill in, to know their drawbacks and weaknesses, and to accept themselves better. This will be done during the mentoring sessions and online model value classes. The activity 2. The student counselor to enable the married students with the problems to understand one another better through talk therapy. Whenever the problem arises, to enable the students to pay attention to their studies peacefully without any tension. Activity 3, the staff in charge to guide the student educators with the personal and family issues through talk therapy as and when the occasion arises, so that the teacher educators may be relaxed. The 4th activity, the staff in charge to empower the student teachers with counseling skills by the end of September 2021 to enable the student teachers with the skill of counseling through online counseling sessions and displaying appropriate videos, and enable the students to face a problem and help the problematic students in their schools. Let us now watch the video depicting the qualities, one of the qualities of the student counselor. Is video available, sir?
Bro, that doesn't even make sense. It makes total sense. You just open up your mind and listen to other people's opinions.
What's going on here? What's going on?
John's being ridiculous. I'm being ridiculous. You're the one that thinks. Bro, how can you not see?
Okay, boys, calm down. Okay, everybody take your seats. Matthew, John, come up here, please. And John, stand over there and face that direction. Matthew, come over here and just do the opposite. Thank you. Okay, boys, turn around. And John, what color is the ball?
The ball's white. Seriously? Bro, you just like making things difficult?
Well, what color do you say the ball is?
Black. The ball is black, clearly. I don't know what you see around, but the ball is white.
Without looking at the ball, I want you to both switch places. Okay, both of you, please turn around. And what color is the ball now? Okay, please have a seat.
Throughout our lives, we believe many things, and we hold dear what we think is right and true. But at times there'll be others who disagree with us. What we believe to be 100% right, they believe the opposite just as strongly. Well, how can that be? Can't they see? We can become frustrated, we might grow distant, we may even sever relationships entirely. Slow down. Breathe. Step into the other person's shoes. It'll make all the difference.
Thank you
I'm
for your
sure
presentation.
all of us got a lesson in empathy, which is very much needed for a counselor to handle the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Safety is not expensive, it's priceless. I would like to call upon Ms. Kritika, a student teacher, to present the action plan for prevention of sexual harassment cell.
Good morning to all. I am Kritika Devi, student representative, Prevention of Sexual Harassment Cell, Vikas College of Education, Madurai. Action Plan 2021 to 2022. Goal. To create an awareness of sexual harassment that exists in the society in different places and to find out remedies to protect the society from illegal acts. Objectives: to provide an opportunity for student teachers to know the problems related to the sex that exist in different places in the society, and awareness of sexual harassment that exists among the student community and the teaching faculty by arranging talks on sexual harassment. To help our student teachers to be agents for transferring the information to the students, parents, and the public. Action Plan Activity 2021 to 2022. Activity 1. The staff is will provide opportunity for student teachers to share their ideas of the problems due to the sexual harassment in places, online classes, talks on the issues. Activity period. Open discussion with the student teachers, discuss common issues on sexual harassment. Videos on the topic is activity. The staff in charge to create an awareness of the sexual harassment that exists among the students. During said activity period, by displaying suitable video, sharing with the students problems of some of the students. Activity 3. The staff in charge will help our students to be the agents for transferring the information during the moral values classes and the teaching camp by arranging talks on sexual harassment and prevention. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kritika. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Now, I invite Sister Mary Catherine, our student teacher, to present action plan of extension service cell.
Not myself, Sugandhi will present. Sugandhi.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sugandhi,
Mary-
call upon. Sugandhi,
Mary
Sugandhi.
Sugandhi only. Mary Sugandhi.
Yes.
I'm Sister Mary Sugandhi, student teacher of St. Charles College of Education. I'm going to present Extension Service Cell, Action Plan 2021-22. Goals: to motivate our student teachers of their responsibility towards the society and enable them to extend their service according to the need of time. To enable our student teachers to spend quality time with the aged, to understand their problems with the respect and regard for them, to extend their service to students of the primary section children, their locality, and import the values. Objectives: to provide opportunity for our student teachers to pay visit and listen to the aged, to develop in themselves an attitude of respect and regard for the aged of the society. To involve the student teachers in the community service through active participation in the rallies during the city camp and extend their service in the community development programs, summer camp, cleaning activity of locality and visiting the special schools, etc. To train our student teachers to ready to serve the less fortunate children by imparting the value education during moral value classes for our St. Charles Primary School students and for students of the locality. Members: Reverend Sister Sabina Jose, Chairperson; Sister Catherine A, Secretary; Mr. Nedumaran, Member; Sister Sugandhi, Student Representative; Muthuvalli, Student Representative. Activity 1. Student teachers, with the help of the staff, visit to the old age home in the campus, visit the other old age homes in the YouTube by the end of August, to respect them, to have regard for them, to know their problems, to take care of our old age parents. Talk to them, inquiring about their health, entertaining them during festivals, offering them sweets and gifts. Watch the TV program for the aged, record all that they watch. Activity 2, the staff in charge will conscientize our student teachers of their duties and responsibilities towards the community and society through everyday assembly during CT camp, moral value classes, to empower our student teachers with skills to involve themselves in developmental activities of the society, participating actively in the awareness rally, taking part in the thematic role play, cultural program, and in the Swachh Bharat scheme, etc. Videos on social activities displayed. Activity 3. The student teacher will impart values to students of the St. Charles Primary School and the children of the locality. By end of September, they are introduced to the school environment and to get to know the problems of the students. Encouraging student teachers take free tuitions to the students of the locality, listen to them and guide them. Visit the model schools with the consent of the staff in charge and the HM of the school. Make a record all that they observe. Fourth activity, the staff in charge and resource persons will involve our trainees with the activities of other team and to help them in their need. Through summer camp, after the closing of the school, by the end of January, if everything is normal, they learn to collaborate with other team members and to organize different programs. Student teachers take charge of conducting prayers, yoga, and other activities of the camp and learn to organize such camps in the future. Fifth activity, the student teachers with the help of the staff visit to the students of special schools, watch special school in YouTube also by end of January 2022 to understand more about the differently able students. Learn the methodology of teaching differently able students of the society. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your presentation. Awareness is like the sun. When it shines on things, they are transformed. May I now request our principal, Dr. Vayadurai, to present the action plan of Red Ribbon Club. Over to you, sir.
Yes. Good morning to everyone. Welcome you all for our Red Ribbon Club inauguration. The Red Ribbon Club functions in St. Charles College of Education for the last 11 years. It has one member from the faculty and two members from the students holding the office. It is headed by our chairperson, Reverend Sister Sabina Jose, Secretary of our college. Secretary of RRC is Dr. Vayadurai, and the student teachers are Ms. Rebecca and Sister Amalie Rosafi. Goals. RRC program is a voluntary on-campus intervention aimed at improve the risk perception and preventing HIV among youth and to address the issues of HIV and AIDS. RRC empowers student teachers by giving them information and life skills to protect themselves from HIV and AIDS. Objectives: to reduce new HIV infection among youth by raising their risk perception through proper education on sex and AIDS. To make the student teachers to know about the prevention and safety precaution steps for AIDS. To induce among student teachers the spirit to the help and support people living with HIV and AIDS, thereby reduce stigma and discrimination among HIV and AIDS. To promote awareness about AIDS among rural public. Action plan for the year of 2021-22. To reduce an awareness to create an awareness to the student teachers about the effect of AIDS by projecting the video clipping today, 6/8/2021. Seminar will be arranged for student teachers on HIV and AIDS infections and precaution steps to be taken with the help of resource person during CT camp. During CT camp, rally will be conducted with slogans and caption boards through street of Tanakangulam to provide the opportunities to the student teachers to provoke HIV and AIDS awareness among rural public. During CT camp, documentary film will be projected to the student teachers to encourage, to help and support people with HIV and AIDS. Now, let us watch video.
HIV/AIDS has taken the lives of over 39 million people worldwide, despite our efforts to prevent, treat, and better understand it. But with 35 million people currently infected, what exactly is it, and are we close to a cure? To contract HIV, the virus must enter the bloodstream, and it's often transmitted from infected bodily fluids like blood, semen, vaginal fluids, or breast milk. Once inside the bloodstream, HIV targets a variety of cells, but most specifically the T helper cells, which are a type of white blood cell that play an essential role in our immune system and fighting infections. The outer envelope of HIV is covered in glycoproteins which mutate frequently, ultimately tricking the T cell receptors to not recognize the virus. Once attached to specific proteins on the T cell, it begins to fuse the membranes together and eventually enters the cell where it releases 2 viral RNA strands and 3 essential replication enzymes. Because HIV is a retrovirus, the RNA is transcribed into DNA, represented here by a zipper of 2 RNA strands transcribing into DNA. This DNA is then integrated into the host cell's genome. This makes the T cells treat the viral genes like their own, which causes them to make more copies of the virus. These then leave the host cell and mature, ultimately seeking more T cells. The virus is particularly difficult to treat because its mutation rate is so high. Overall, the replication process creates more than 10 billion new virions each day. During these initial stages of replication, called the latency period, a person may not show any major symptoms for up to 8 years. If not treated, the HIV eventually kills off the specific T cells it infects. When these T cells fall below 200 cells per cubic millimeter of blood, it becomes acquired immune deficiency syndrome, or AIDS. After progressing this far, the immune system becomes suppressed and is much more susceptible to cancers and opportunistic infections such as pneumonia. A person doesn't die from AIDS, they actually die from an illness that the body could not fend off. Nowadays, there is medicine that helps fight these opportunistic infections, like Daraprim, which was recently in the news when Martin Shkreli of Turing Pharmaceutical decided to raise the price from $13.50 to $750 per pill. There are also antiretroviral drugs that slow the virus down by blocking certain enzymes which are required for the virus to multiply. Similarly, those without HIV but at high risk of contracting the virus may take pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP. This works similar to antiretroviral drugs by blocking the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Thankfully, there is hope for a cure. A small population of people are immune to the HIV virus because of a mutation linked to the T cells. In one case, an HIV-positive subject received a bone marrow transplant, meaning they were given new stem cells that generate different T cells, and within 20 months, there was no evidence of the virus in their bloodstream. Though this is very individualized medicine, it certainly opens up the possibilities of generating HIV-resistant cells. Combine this with other therapies and preventative measures like condoms, clean needle programs, and safe blood transfusions, and HIV/AIDS may one day be a thing of the past. Your sharing of this video is much appreciated in the effort to help spread knowledge and awareness. And
Thank you, sir, for your presentation. It's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. It's my turn to present the action plan for Consumer Rights Club. Consumer Rights Club action plan. Goal. Consumer Club of a college is established for the purpose of creating the awareness about consumer rights and protection among the student teachers, and through them to bring about awareness towards action in the society. Objective. To educate the student teachers about various provisions of the Consumer Protection Act 1986, to educate the student teachers to become agents in transferring consumer rights awareness to the society, to provide chance for the student teachers to share their experience of problems related to consumption of fake goods, etc., to spread awareness of consumer rights, rules, and law in the local community, to impart knowledge about the role of consumers in protection of their rights, and to strengthen the consumerism, to develop values, attitudes, and behavior in student teachers in order to uphold consumer rights. Activities. The Consumer Club has the following plan for the academic year 2021 to 2022. To inaugurate the Consumer Club on 6 August 2021, the chief guest, staff members, and student teachers to know the significance and values of the consumer rights by activities and PowerPoint presentation. To conduct an awareness program for Consumer Rights and Protection Act by staff members and student teachers during CT camp in our college. To celebrate the Consumer Rights Day on 15th March by staff members, student teachers, and resource persons from Consumer Club Association to develop in the student teachers the social awareness and to enhance the knowledge about consumer rights through an appropriate theme chosen for quiz, kits, and videos. Thank you, everyone. We are happy to have Ms. Bhuneshwari, our student teacher, to read an awareness poem on consumer rights. Over to you, Bhuneshwari.
Yes, ma'am. இறைவனை வணங்கியும் தமிழ்தாயை முத்தமிட்டும் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வானம் பார்த்து பூமியில் விதைத்து சந்தைக்கு போய் கத்திரிக்காய் கொடுத்து கருப்பட்டி வாங்கிய பண்டமாற்று முறை பழையதாயிற்றே. நுகர்வோரை சிந்திப்பின் இதோ நுகர்வோர் விழிப்புணர்வு பற்றிய என் கவிதை. ஜனனம் முதல் மரணம் வரை கடக்கும் காலத்தில் காசு பெற்று பொய் உரைப்பான் அவன் தந்திரத்தினாலே. இதிலே ஏமாறுவான் விளம்பரத்தினாலே. வாங்கும் பொருளின் தரம் அறியாது ஒன்றுக்கு மற்றொன்று இலவசமாம் இவனுக்கோ உல்லாசமாம். நுகர்வோரே காசு கொடுத்து வாங்கும் பொருளின் தரம் அறி எதையும் பிச்சையாக யாசிக்கவில்லை. தரம், உறுதி, உழைப்பு. தராத பொருளை தள்ளுபடியில் கொடுத்தாலும் தள்ளிவை. உன் உழைப்பு, உன் பணம், உன் பொருள் என்ற சிந்தனையை கொண்டு இரு. நுகர்வோரே கருப்பும் வெள்ளையாகும் காலங்கள் கனிந்து விட்டால் காவியத்தில் மட்டுமல்ல கலியுகத்திலும் வல்லரசாம் இந்தியா. நீங்கள் விழிப்புணர்வுடன் இருந்தால் மட்டுமே விழித்திரு. நுகர்வரை சிந்தித்து செயல்படுவேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Ms. Bhuneshwari, for your poem. I would like to call upon Ms. Sonia Selva Mary, a student teacher, to sing a song on consumer awareness and protection. Ms. Sonia.
விளம்பரம் கார்ப்பரேட் அடிமைதாமா இப்ப வரைக்குமே. அதுக்கு மனுஷன் ஆசையும் மீடியாவும் தான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுதே. நாமெல்லாம் கார்ப்பரேட் அடிமைதான்க்கா இப்ப வரைக்குமே. சொந்த யோசனையோட ஏன்னு கேள்வி கேட்காத வரைக்குமே. விருப்பமில்லாத நம்மையும் கூட கடன் வாங்க வைக்குமே. விருப்பமில்லாத நம்மையும் கூட கடன் வாங்க வைக்குமே. அதுக்கு வட்டி கட்டிட காசு இல்லாதப்போ கோல்ட் கம்பெனியும் திறக்குமே. அதுக்கு வட்டி கட்டிட காசு இல்லாதப்போ கோல்ட் கம்பெனியும் திறக்குமே. மனங்கசந்து நாம கண்ணீர் விட்டா யூடியூப் பார்க்க சொல்லுமே. மனங்கசந்து நாம கண்ணீர் விட்டா பேஸ்புக் பார்க்க சொல்லுமே. இப்படி நுகர்வறிவில்லாத நம்மோட வாழ்க்கை எப்படி உயருமோ. இப்படி நுகர்வறிவில்லாத நம்மோட வாழ்க்கை எப்படி உயருமோ. நாமெல்லாம் கார்ப்பரேட் அடிமைகள் தான்க்கா இப்ப வரைக்குமே. அதுக்கு மனுஷன் ஆசையும் மீடியாவும் தான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுதே. குழந்தை இல்லாம என்ற கருத்து இப்பதான் வளருது. குழந்தை இல்லாம என்ற கருத்து இப்பதான் வளருது. கூடவே கருத்தரிப்பு மருத்துவமனையும் சேர்ந்தே வளருது. கூடவே கருத்தரிப்பு மருத்துவமனையும் சேர்ந்தே வளருது. அதுக்கு நல்லா சாப்பிடணும், மனசு விட்டு பேசணும், ஒருத்தர் புரிஞ்சுக்கிடணும். அப்படியா இந்த வரேன். சும்மா அரிசிய போட்டுட்டு மளிகை விலைய கவர்மெண்ட் ஏத்த சொல்லுது. எப்பவும் சாப்பிட்ட கேப்பையும் கம்பையும் இப்ப எக்ஸிபிஷன் ஆகுது. சும்மா அரிசிய போட்டுட்டு மளிகை விலைய கவர்மெண்ட் ஏத்த சொல்லுது. நாம எப்பவும் சாப்பிட்ட கேப்பையும் கம்பையும் எக்ஸிபிஷன் ஆகுது. மூவேலி செய்தி, காளான் டெலிவரி, அதிரடி தள்ளுபடி ஆஃபர் எல்லாம் கொடுக்குது. கூடவே செல் சீரிஸ் மோகம், ஒர்க் பிரஷர், உமன் அபியூஸும் நடக்குது. ஆமா, செல் சீரிஸ் மோகம், ஒர்க் பிரஷர், சைல்ட் அபியூஸும் நடக்குது. இதெல்லாம் கண்டுக்காம இருக்க, நீங்க கண்டுக்காம இருக்க. லைவ் ப்ரோக்ராம், சாங், மூவி ரத்தத்துல ஊர்னதுன்னு சொல்லுது. மூளைய யோசிக்காம ஆக்குது. நாமெல்லாம் கார்ப்பரேட் அடிமைகள் தாமா இப்ப வரைக்குமே. சொந்த யோசனையோட ஏன்னு கேள்வி கேட்காத வரைக்குமே. பாவப்பட்ட ஏழை மக்க பட்டதாரியா இருந்தாலும் பணம் இல்லைன்னா அடிமைகள் தாங்க பைனான்சிங் கார்ப்பரேட்டுக்கு. பாவப்பட்ட ஏழை மக்க பட்டதாரியா இருந்தாலும் பணம் இல்லைன்னா அடிமைகள் தாங்க பைனான்சிங் கார்ப்பரேட்டுக்கு. ஏமாத்தும் பணக்காரன் எங்க ஓடி போனாலும் கண்டுக்காத கவர்மெண்ட் ஐயா, நாம தான் ஜிஎஸ்டி கட்டணும்யா. கண்டுக்காத கவர்மெண்ட் அம்மா, நாம தான் ஜிஎஸ்டி கட்டணுமா. ஆகவே வருங்காலமே விழிப்போடு விளக்கி சொல்லு. நுகர்வோர் பாதுகாப்பு சட்டம் உண்டு, பாதுகாக்க நுகர்வோர் பாதுகாப்பு சட்டம் உண்டு. Yes friends, we are all the consumers, have to be asked questions why, what and how at the needed places and will be supported by consumer rights. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sonia, for your beautiful song on awareness of consumer rights. A right delayed is a right delayed. I'm glad to invite Mrs. Pakyam, Assistant Professor in Physical Science Education, to present the action plan for Human Rights Club. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning to all. St. Charles College of Education, Human Rights Club. Goal. Human Rights Club of our college is established for the purpose of creating the awareness about human rights and protection among the student teachers, and through them to bring about awareness towards action in the society. Objectives: to promote the development of culture through right understanding of human rights, to ensure focus on human rights education by the student teachers, to foster the respect for human rights and its fundamental freedom, to promote understanding, tolerance, gender equality, and friendship among all nations, to build and maintain peace, to promote people-centered sustainable development, to develop knowledge and skills on human rights and mechanisms for their protection, to develop values, attitudes, and behavior to uphold human rights. Activities of the Human Rights Club. On the inaugural day, 6th August 2021, video clipping on human rights. So student teachers come to know the significance and values of the human rights. On Human Rights Day, 10th December 2021, the student teachers share their knowledge from the collections of news to provide opportunity to the student teachers and to give awareness on human rights issues in our society. Staff in charge to take class on fundamental rights and on effect of human rights to create an awareness about human rights to the student teachers. Now let us watch the video clip.
The idea of human rights is that each one of us, no matter who we are or where we are born, is entitled to the same basic rights and freedoms. Human rights are not privileges, and they cannot be granted or revoked. They are inalienable and universal. That may sound straightforward enough, but it gets incredibly complicated as soon as anyone tries to put the idea into practice. What exactly are the basic human rights? Who gets to pick them? Who enforces them, and how? The history behind the concept of human rights is a long one. Throughout the centuries and across societies,
Arul, video got stuck, Arul.
to put the idea into practice. What exactly are the basic human rights? Who gets to pick them? Who enforces them, and how? The history behind the concept of human rights is a long one. Throughout the centuries and across societies,
I think video is not recorded properly. We'll go to the next program.
Thank you, ma'am, for your presentation of action plan. Nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. I would like to call upon Ms. Nithya Josephine, our student teacher, to present the action plan of Eco Club.
Good morning to all. Eco Club Action Plan 2021-22. Goal. Eco Club aims at inclusion of environmental education for student teachers and incorporating measures to prevent pollution and conservation of natural resources like forest, water, and air. Objectives. To create an awareness on the environment, acquire an attitude of concern for the environment, acquire the skills for identifying and solving environmental problems, participate in improvement and protection of environment, conservation and protection of natural resources like forest, water, air, etc. Activities. Activity 1. On the inauguration day of Eco Club on 6th August 2021, the resource person will give a motivating talk on the cells and clubs. Activity 2. On the awareness of pollution control on 5th June 2021, World Environment Day, our student teachers planted saplings in Thirunagar area in an attempt to create a green society. Activity 3. Staff will arrange the resource person during the CT camp. Guest lecture will be on the effects of land pollution and to make the student teachers to know the eco-friendly ways of living and demerits of land pollution. Activity 4. Awareness program on environmental protection will be arranged by the staff in charge during the CT camp. The guest lecture will talk on the environmental protection among the student teachers. Thank you. We have a short quiz program. I request Suganya to take over from here.
Knowledge has a beginning but no end. Let me invite Ms. Suganya, student teacher, to conduct the quiz competition. Over to you, Suganya.
Sir, shall I start the session?
Suganya, you can go ahead.
Yeah, okay, sister. Thank you. Very good afternoon, one and all present here. Let me start our session. Is whatever we heard, everything is before the session are very truly said. We know that you all are so excited and curious about the quiz. So let's throw your attention and lead yourself to win. So let I invite the team members, Mrs. Syed Ali Fatima and Kulanit Merlin from Commerce Department, and Aishwarya from Computer Science and Kokila from Math, Monisha and Kartika Bhargavi from English, Alice Merlin and Sneha from the English department. So let's start the session. Sir, next slide. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Option A, ecosystem restoration. Option B, restorer our earth. Option C, connecting people with nature. Option D, 7 billion dreams.
Ecosystem restoration.
Okay, good.
Ecosystem
Okay, good.
restoration.
Okay, good. Let's the next one. Then we pass on to the second question. Sir, next slide, please, sir. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? Option A, air pollution. Option B, 7 billion people, one planet, consume with care. Option C, raise your voice, not the sea level. Option D, biodiversity.
Option D,
Biodiversity.
Come again, please. I can't able to hear your answer.
I am Aishwarya. Aishwarya, biodiversity. Biodiversity. I am Aishwarya. B team. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, B team. I am Aishwarya. Biodiversity.
You saying what's the answer? What's your answer?
Biodiversity. D answer. Hello.
Okay, let's move on to third question.
Hello,
Sir,
biodiversity.
next slide, please.
What's the
Yeah,
answer? Please inform.
Yes,
Joseph?
biodiversity. No, ma'am, I can't able to.
Yeah, correct, Aishwarya.
Biodiversity is the answer. Correct. Aishwarya is correct. Third one. Which of the following country will host the World Environment Day 2021 event? Option A, Germany. B, Pakistan. C, India. D, Canada.
B, Pakistan.
B Pakistan.
Additional B, Pakistan.
Okay. Good. Then coming to the fourth slide. Fourth question. Sir, please. The fourth slide. Who coined the word ecology? Option A, Ernest Haeckel. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C, Gregory Mendel.
Ma'am,
Ernest
Haeckel, ma'am. Option A, Ernest Haeckel.
Okay, good. Let's pass on to the fifth question. Who is known as the father of evolution?
Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin. Option B.
Okay, let's the sixth one. Which of the following is the most environmental friendly agriculture practices? Using chemical fertilizer? Okay. Okay, right. 7th one, sir. Good girl. 7th question, please. A group of living organisms of the most same kind living in the same place and at the same time refers to a
Population. Hello.
Sorry, it is consumers. Okay. So let's start to the go to the 8th one. The answer is consumer for 7th one. Primary source of energy in a food web are green plants and inorganic nutrients animals. Primary source of energy.
Option B, sun.
Sun.
Okay, good. 9th one. Very good call. 9th one. The 9th slide. The production of light by living beings is known as
Bioluminescence, ma'am. Option A.
Okay, right. Very good. Let's pass on to the 10th one. Do you know the only floating park in the world located in Northeast India? Option A, Cable.
Option
Okay.
A, ma'am.
Very good. We'll move on to 11th one. Sir, 11th one, please. Plastic is made from?
Petrified calcium carbonate, ma'am. Option B, ma'am.
Very good. And 12th one. So everyone will be very clear in your answers. Method scientists have been trying to produce rain. Which method?
Cloud seeding, ma'am. Cloud seeding.
Okay,
Option
good.
A, cloud seeding, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. 13th one. The next one. Which of the following is not a primary pollutant of air?
Ma'am, option B.
Perception. B, acid perception.
Acid precipitation, ma'am.
Okay. 14th one. The next one. Every year, large portions of Earth's rainforest are cut down for?
Ma'am, all the above. All the above. Option D, ma'am.
Okay. 15th one, sir. Taj Mahal is being affected by?
Air pollution.
Okay, right. Sir, 16th one, sir. Good. Air pollution causes
Respiratory problem.
Okay, right. 17th one, sir. What causes pollution?
Human activities.
Okay, sir. The next one, sir. Very good. Which of these is responsible for water pollution?
All the above.
Okay. Name India's 19th one. Name India's first national park.
Ma'am, option D, ma'am.
Daily National Park.
Option D.
Okay, the final one, sir. Final one, sir. The basic requirements of human beings are provided by?
Option C.
Nature.
Okay. Thank you. Good cooperation for each and every questions. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ananal, present here. Thank you for giving me the opportunity in this club activity. Thank you, sister.
Thank you, Ms. Nitya, for your presentation and Ms. Suganya to conduct that quiz competition.
Yeah, thank you so
My
much.
pleasure. Thank you. My pleasure to invite Mrs. Pakyam, Assistant Professor in Physical Science Education, to present the action plan for internal quality assurance cell. Over to you, ma'am.
St. Charles College of Education, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Action Plan for the year 2021-22. Objective. The primary aim of the IQAC is to develop a system for conscious, consistent, and
Ma'am,
catalytic.
wait for screen share. Please wait for screen share.
Okay, okay.
Arul, we are seeing the IQAC. It's a Eco Club that your screen.
IQAC folder.
The next one, next one. The same thing your screen now. Please next one, IQAC. IQAC.
Objective. The primary aim of the IQAC is to develop a system for conscious, consistent, and catalytic action to improve the academic and administrative performance of the institution. Activities. First objective, to empower the staff and student teachers with the necessary intellectual abilities for effective teaching learning in order to excel in academics. Activities. First national level seminar, September 2021. Second national level seminar, November 2021. Third national level seminar, April 2022 by resource person. Second objective, to empower the staff and student teachers with necessary training in ICT for effective teaching learning. Activity, ICT based workshop in December 2021 by resource person. Third objective, to help student teachers grow into mature persons psychologically and emotionally through personal guidance and counseling, active group guidance, monthly twice by Sister Mary Catherine. Fourth objective, to enable the student teachers to know and live the spiritual and moral values. Activity, resource talk monthly twice by Mr. Nedumaran. To fifth objective, to enable the student teachers appreciate the secular society through inter-religious prayer service and the meaningful celebration of all major religious festivals. Activities, Gandhi Jayanti Bhajan service, October 2022, Christmas celebration, December 2021, Pongal celebration, January 2022 by student teachers and staff. Sixth objective, to engage the student teachers in community activities that will enable them to understand their social responsibility towards the poor. Activity, visit to the local areas to identify the poor and needy and to help them materially. November 2021. Free tuition for the local slow learners from July 2021 by student teachers. Seventh objectives, to train the student teacher to be the agents of protection of the environment by bringing in the eco consciousness among the staff and student teachers. Activities: planting the saplings in their home from July 2021 by student teachers and staff. Resource talk about environmental protection January 2022 by resource person. Propagation of sapling for the conservation of medicinal and ornamental plants throughout the year. 8 objectives: to enable the student teachers to become aware of their rights and duties, to become a responsible citizens. Activities: CT camp, consumer rights, human rights, AIDS awareness, legal rights awareness, and traffic rules and first aid in December 2021 by resource person and staff. 9th objectives: to provide opportunities to the student teachers to discover and identify their artistic and aesthetic sense for the holistic growth. Activity: Carolina Day programs, March 2022 by resource person and staff. 10th objective: to enhance the professional development by providing Gandhian Thoughts certificate course and training programs in yoga. Activities: training in yoga February 2022 by resource person, Gandhian Thoughts certificate course May 2022 at Gandhi Museum. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your presentation. It is an honor, more than a pleasure, conferred on me to invite RGS, Reverend Sister Jenisha Mary, Assistant Professor in Computer Education, who is an idol of knowledge, experience, and inspiration to all of us. We are privileged to have such dear sister to deliver the keynote address. Over to you, sister.
Thank you. Can you allow me to share my screen? Or
Yes, sister, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, I just wanted to congratulate the secretary, Sister Sabina, and principal, Mr. Vayadurai, and student council, Sister Catherine, and all the faculties. And I suppose Sister William is present now. Sister Nirmala William, the correspondent. I congratulate and appreciate everyone. The right time you have conducted, inaugurated these cells and clubs. I also appreciate for your interest and responsibility of serving the society through your cells and club activities. I just wanted to give few tips to start the program, but already you are in it. And some of you starting with poem and the singing as well as the quiz. Already the activities been started. I was very happy. We can all download and you can upload it in the YouTube. I just wanted to start with the every moment is a fresh beginning because you have started with a fresh beginning, the cells and the clubs. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts off being excellent. So a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You've already taken the step and you're already in the flow, and please continue. I just wanted to remind you about the tiny virus, corona, that we are facing past 1.5 years. And it is very insignificant, small, yet swallowed many lives and changed worldwide economy too. And we have to pray every day. It's not a joke. God, please protect my family, friends, and the whole humanity, not only me, the whole humanity. Though there is a virus and it has all locked us, everybody inside our campus, inside the rooms. But you and me, a powerful soul can reach out everybody. You are a pure soul and the child of God, a royal soul. As a member of these clubs and cells, each one of you are more powerful than this tiny virus. You can be the change in this society right where you are. Already you have started. I am happy about it. You can be an angel spreading positive vibration to all. Start from within your family. If someone's sick, take care of them. If some of your colleagues is sick, just call and inquire them. If not able to meet them in person, at least call them video call and ask them. That small call will make them to rise from their driven spirit. Shift from your fears, lack of confidence to courage and confidence at this right time. And be protected not only from the external virus that is affecting us, but from your internal virus of all negativity that will help you to protect the people around you, and you also can be protected. Create an awareness program, upload it in a YouTube. You already started, but start doing your own YouTube and upload it, all the program that you have already prepared. The quiz that is just, you can modify it and all that, you can be uploading it. And post an encouraging talks regarding your clubs, activity, all that you have planned it, you just post it so that people will come to know about the college and the activities that you are doing it. Help the needy, giving medical care and other care, whatever is possible for you in your premises. Already we started doing the blood donation, and also you can now at present many people may need blood donation and all that. Get to know the hospitals and you may do the needful. You can provide meals, medicine, whatever the provision that you can provide for the poor and needy, you may do so. This is one few corona velippunarvu slogans are there. You can use it for your digital preparation and all that.
Or you can click on to continue slides. This has completed all this before itself.
Yeah. You can prepare digital posters. Digital information can be shared. Your presentation, your PowerPoint presentation can be prepared and made a video, and you can upload it in the YouTube. Article, as you already prepared the quiz, poems, all that, any creative activity can be added. Be a creative and collaborative person. All we have to do is decide is to do right time what is given to us. We just start doing something. This is the beautiful video. If you are not able to hear, let me know. Can you hear?
Still, we can hear you, but he has not clicked on to the slides for the continuous one. That's why I just made him to do it.
Okay.
Because that initial introduction that you were giving, that slides only is going on now. That's why there was little bit
Shall I wait
interruption.
till he could come to this
That's
slide?
what you can just wait.
Yeah, okay.
Just.
Yeah.
Are you able to view the slides, Janita?
Yeah, I can see. Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Now only is saying the creating awareness program to upload it in the YouTube. That point has come now.
Okay,
because he was not instructed. I think he waited for it. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I mean, you cannot see my screen, I suppose, or he is only the seeing is sharing the screen. Oh, I made it so fast, I suppose.
It's okay. You can continue, sister.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing. Because sometimes the format and the version differs. I hope he can play the next slide. What is he doing? He has to click either the arrow key or the mouse. Oh, okay.
Sorry for the interruption. You proceed, sister.
Yeah. But if I show the video, whether they can hear. Hope he has given
videos. Have you given to him?
Yes. Video is with him.
Okay. He will be able to play.
He just has to click next, or let him click the arrow key. One more picture has to come from the slide.
Just add me the PowerPoint, not the video. You
already I sent.
Not the video.
Video also I have sent, my dear. Okay, no problem. Next is the video. No worry. Just click on the arrow key. Okay.
Okay.
Just click the arrow key. Yes, this is the one. Can you play or you want me to play?
சில கேள்விகள் வரலாம். என்னால நிஜமாவே என்னுடைய கனவை அடைய முடியுமா? என்னால நிஜமாவே என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையில ஜெயிக்க முடியுமா? என்னை சுத்தி இருக்கிறவங்க, என் கூட இருக்கிறவங்களாம் என்னை பார்த்து நெகட்டிவா பேசுற வார்த்தைகள் எல்லாம், என்னால ஜெயிக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்ற வார்த்தைகள் எல்லாம் நிஜமாயிடுமோ அப்படின்ற பயம் உனக்குள்ள வரலாம். ஏன்னா வாழ்க்கையில கஷ்டமான நாட்கள் இருக்கும் பொழுது, நீ எதிர்பார்க்கிற காரியங்கள் நடக்காத பொழுது, நீ நினைச்சு நீ பிளான் பண்ணி இதுக்காக உழைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ உழைக்கும் பொழுது கூட நீ தோத்து போனீனா உன் மேல இருக்க நம்பிக்கை உடைஞ்சு போகும். உன் மேல உனக்கு இருக்கிற கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் கூட கண்டிப்பா உடைஞ்சுதான் போகும். ஆனா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, தோத்து போகாம வாழ்க்கையில ஜெயிக்க முடியாது. கஷ்டப்படாம ஒரு அற்புதமான வாழ்க்கையை வாழ முடியாது. உனக்குள்ள கேட்கிற அந்த நெகட்டிவான வார்த்தைகள், அந்த சந்தேகத்தை உண்டு பண்ணுற வார்த்தைகள், எப்பவோ யாரோ உன்னை பார்த்து முடியாதுன்னு சொன்ன வார்த்தை, நீ அழகா இல்லை, நீ உயரமா இருக்க, நீ குள்ளமா இருக்க, நீ கருப்பா இருக்க, நீ வெள்ளையா இருக்க, நீ குண்டா இருக்க, நீ ஒல்லியா இருக்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி உன்னை பார்த்து கூறின நெகட்டிவான வார்த்தைகள் உனக்கு ஞாபகம் வரலாம். ஆனா அந்த வார்த்தைகளுக்கு உன்னுடைய மனசுல இடம் கொடுக்காத. அந்த நெகட்டிவான வார்த்தைகளை உன் மனசுல போட்டு அதையே திரும்ப 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 யோசிக்காத. தோல்விகள் வந்துட்டு போறது சகஜம்தான். மற்றவங்க உன்னை பார்த்து நெகட்டிவா பேசிட்டு போறது சகஜம்தான். ஒருத்தவங்க உன்னை பாராட்டுவாங்க, உன்னை பாராட்டாம இருக்கலாம். உன் கூட இருப்பாங்க நினைச்சவங்க இல்லாமலும் போகலாம். இருக்க மாட்டாங்க நினைச்சவங்க உன் கூட இருக்கவும் செய்யலாம். வாழ்க்கையில எப்போ வேணாலும் நல்ல காரியங்கள் நடக்கலாம், எப்போ வேணாலும் கெட்ட காரியங்கள் நடக்கலாம். ஆனா உன்னுடைய வாழ்க்கைய நீ எப்படி பார்க்கறன்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான காரியம். நீ ஒரு சில சவால்களை சந்திக்கும் பொழுது, இழப்புகளை சந்திக்கும் பொழுது, தோல்விகளை சந்திக்கும் பொழுது, எதிர்பார்க்காத காரியங்கள் நடக்கும் பொழுது கூட இது எல்லாமே தாண்டி போகும். நான் ஒரு அற்புதமான வாழ்க்கையை வாழுவேன், நான் என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையில ஜெயிப்பேன், நான் சாதிச்சே தீருவேன், என்னை பார்த்து முடியாதுன்னு சொன்னவங்க நடுவுல நான் சாதிச்சு, நான் சரித்திரம் படைச்சு என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கைய நான் அருமையா அற்புதமா நான் ஆசைப்பட்ட மாதிரி வாழ்ந்தே தீருவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ நம்பணும். நீ நம்பு. நெகட்டிவான வார்த்தையை பல வாட்டி உன்னுடைய மனசுக்குள்ள யோசிக்கிற நீ பாசிட்டிவான வார்த்தையை ஏன் யோசிக்க மாட்ற? என்னால செய்ய முடியும், நான் சாதிப்பேன், நான் ஜெயிப்பேன், நான் சரித்திரம் படைப்பேன், நான் கண்டிப்பா அடுத்த நிலைக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையில போயே தீருவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ ஒரு நாளைக்கு எத்தனை வாட்டி யோசிக்கிறன்ட்டு யோசிச்சு பாரு. எத்தனை வாட்டி நீ ஆசைப்பட்ட காரியத்தை கூட நீ செய்யாம போனதுக்கு எவ்வளோ சாக்குகளை சொல்லிருப்போன்ட்டு யோசிச்சு பாரு. எத்தனை வாட்டி உழைக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்கு, படிக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்கு, வேலை செய்யாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு, நீ ஆசைப்பட்ட காரியத்தை நீ கத்துக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்கு எத்தனை வாட்டி சாக்குகளை சொல்லிருப்பன்ட்டு யோசிச்சு பாரு. இனிமே அப்படி உன்னுடைய வாழ்க்கை இருக்க போறது கிடையாது. இனிமே நான் சாக்குகளை சொல்ல போறது கிடையாதுன்ட்டு யோசி. இனிமேலும் நான் காரியத்தை தள்ளி போட போறது கிடையாதுன்ட்டு யோசி. ஏன்னா என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையை நான் மாத்த போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு உன்னுடைய சிந்தனையில இருந்த மாற்றத்தை கொண்டு வா. உன்னுடைய சிந்தனையில யோசி, நான் சாதிப்பேன், நான் உழைப்பேன், நான் இனிமேலும் காரியத்தை தள்ளி போட போறது கிடையாது. என்னுடைய கனவுக்காக நான் படிப்பேன், உழைப்பேன், கஷ்டப்படுவேன், நான் பிளான் பண்ணுவேன், கண்டிப்பா நான் ஆசைப்பட்ட காரியத்தை நான் அடைஞ்சே தீருவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு உன்னுடைய மனசுல யோசி. சிந்தனையிலிருந்து மாற்றத்தை கொண்டு வா. சிந்தனையிலிருந்து அந்த மாற்றத்தை கொண்டு வா. நிச்சயமா சொல்றேன், உன்னை பார்த்து யாரு வேணாலும் முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லட்டும், இந்த உலகமே உனக்கு எதிர்த்து வந்தாலும் சரி, நீ ஸ்ட்ராங்கா நம்பிக்கை உள்ள தலைவனா, நம்பிக்கை உள்ள தலைவியா, நான் ஜெயிச்சே தீருவேன். எந்த சவால் வந்தாலும், எந்த எதிர்ப்பு வந்தாலும் நான் நிச்சயமா சத்தியமா ஜெயிச்சே தீருவேன் அப்படின்ற வெறி உள்ள நபரா நீ இருந்தினா உன்னை யாராலையும் தடுக்க முடியாது. முதல்ல சூழ்நிலைகள் கஷ்டமாகும் பொழுது, காரியங்கள் கஷ்டமாகும் பொழுது நெகட்டிவான காரியங்களை திரும்ப திரும்ப யோசிக்கிறத நிப்பாட்டிட்டு, கஷ்டமா இருந்தாலும் நான் ஜெயிப்பேன், முடியாதுன்னு மற்றவங்க சொன்னாலும் நான் சாதிப்பேன், வாழ்க்கையில என்ன எதிர்ப்பு வந்தாலும், என்ன சவால் வந்தாலும், என்ன அவமானங்கள் வந்தாலும், யாரு என்னை பார்த்து என்ன சொன்னாலும் நான் சாதிப்பேன், நான் சரித்திரம் படைப்பேன், நான் வாழ்ந்து காட்டுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு உன் மனசுல நீ சொல்ல ஆரம்பி. நீ சொல்லுற மாதிரியே நீ உழைக்கவும் ஆரம்பி. ஏன்னா நீ உழைக்க ஆரம்பிச்சினா உன் வெற்றியை தடுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த உலகத்துல யாருமே கிடையாது. நிச்சயமா நீ சரித்திரம் படைப்ப, நிச்சயமா நீ சாதிப்ப. ஏன்னா நீதான் சரித்திரம் படைக்கும் தலைவன், நீதான் சரித்திரம் படைக்கும் அந்த தலைவி.
Let's make history together. Focus on positive things. Never be afraid of doing new things. Thank you. Thank you, Sister Sabina. Thank you, Mr. Vayadurai and all the faculties, Sister Nirmala William and Sister Catherine and all the student teachers. Thank you and all the best for everyone.
Thank you, Sister Janita.
It was an encouraging and enlightening speech with positive vibes, sister. Thank you for your words and time with us today, sister. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
It's not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. With grateful heart, I'm happy to invite our beloved Secretary, Reverend Sister Sabina Jose, who is an indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline and perseverance. Kindly propose vote of thanks, sister. Over to you, sister.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Mrs. Angel. The future depends on what you do in the present, said Mahatma Gandhi. What you do in each moment ultimately adds up to your future. Create the best moments you can, and your future will consist of what you desire. I thank the Almighty God for His presence and blessings throughout the course of this program. And I deem it as my great privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this great occasion of the inauguration of the cells and clubs of St. Charles College of Education. Gandhiji said, "You can't change people. You must be the change you wish to see in the people." There is nothing more motivational than leading from the front. We never forget Reverend Sister Dr. Amali Anbarsi, Provincial Superior and the founder of St. Charles College of Education, Madurai, for her valiant and able leadership in guiding the management of St. Charles College of Education is always praiseworthy. I really thank her for her undaunted spirit and blessing. Leaders, they don't create followers. They create more leaders, says Tom Peters. My sincere thanks to Reverend Sister Nirmala William the animator and superior of St. Charles Society, Madurai, for your valuable leadership as superior of St. Charles Convent, who inaugurated the cells and clubs, and offer her felicitation. A very big thanks to you, sister. As we look ahead in the next century, leaders will be those who empower others, says Bill Gates. The greatest value of planning and goal setting is that it gives you your own life to live. It puts you back in charge. It allows you to focus on what's most important to you. My heartfelt thanks and appreciation to Reverend Sister Janita, the keynote speaker and the resource person of the day. Thank you for your empowering resources and motivation. Thank you also for the time taken to prepare the PowerPoint presentation and present a video clip to enlighten each one of us. She insisted through the video to have a positive and right mindset to face life. Just contribute your best bit to uplift yourself, others, and the society. Be an achiever. Thank you for giving us the direction to take up the daily task with utmost care and dedication. The first law of success is concentration. You need to bend all your energies to the one point and to go directly to that point, looking neither to the right or the left. William Matthews, journalist. Sorry for the interruption. The enthusiastic initiatives of Sister Mary Catherine, Dr. Vayadurai, Principal, St. Charles College of Education, and all the assistant professors as secretaries of various clubs and cells and administrative staffs of SCCE, who did a highly commendable task in this pandemic to organize this inauguration through online. You have taken a meticulous care to plan the activities of your respective program to its very detail and gave a special attention to the proceedings of today's event. My heartfelt congratulations to every one of you. A special mention of thanks and gratitude to Mr. Prakash, brother of Mr. Arul Moraes, our staff, who generously rendered the Zoom platform to have our program today without any interruption. Thank you for his goodwill and his generosity. Our prayers and blessings to go to Mr. Prakash and his family members. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. I wish the enthusiastic participation of student teachers who have done a commendable job today need a great appreciation. And during the course of this year, you will bring to accomplishment of all the plans and activities echoed by every cell and club with your participation and wholehearted involvement. So once again, I thank each one of you and God bless.
Thank you, sister, for thanking all of us. Once again, thank you one and all for your participation. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you, everyone. God bless you.
Thank you. Shall I leave then?
Yes, Sister Janita, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Janita.
Yes, sister.
Thank you,
sister. I didn't see you. Yes. Bye. Thank you.
Now you see me. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, sister. Good. Love to everybody in the community.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, sister. Bye.